let me show you how to choose the language you need. Now I need to change Chinese into English. I have changed the language. Then input the file. If you can't find the file, please insert the card more times. Now we try to print this file. You can print with automatic leveling, but this time I turn off this function because the bed is already leveled. Now the printer is ready to print. First, we need to calibrate the height. Then the clay will be squeezed out. The control box is on when the hot end fan works. Now we adjust it to P004. You can turn this button to adjust the value. The more passes, the more clay squeezed out. Now the clay should have been squeezed out if we install the clay barrel. We are able to adjust printing speed on screen. The faster printing speed, the less clay is squeezed out. On the contrary, the lower printing speed, the more clay is squeezed out. So we adjust the speed according to the clay printing out situation. The fan speed is 255. The fan is blowing hot wind. The fan temperature we set is around 100 degrees Celsius. The offset is used to adjust the nozzle height. The value is larger, the nozzle is higher. If the clay is printed out too much, we adjust the offset higher. Usually we think it's proper that adjust 2 millimeters at one time. If you'd like to learn how to load clay and printing process, please watch our other videos.